The feature of this machine: precise, leak-proof material filling, dedicated pumping system, capable of gently and quantitatively conveying viscous materials. Anti-drip design: upon completion of the filling cycle, the filling nozzle performs a retraction action to draw back residual material, ensuring the sealing area remains clean and free of contamination, a critical factor in guaranteeing a secure seal. Servo Motor Drive: the filling volume is precisely controlled by a servo motor, ensuring consistent weight for every pouch and minimizing material waste.